Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove some of the rust on this little tool with a great product called steel wool. So it's really very simple. All you need to do is take the tool and the steel wool and rub the steel wool on the tool. So it's real simple. We'll take and just do one little area right there and rub it back and forth. And what this does is it takes the top layer off and makes new metal on the top. It exposes the metal underneath, thereby removing the rust. So you can see right there, that's the spot we've done. Look at the difference compared to the other section of the handle, how it's real shiny. Let's do a little section right up here. Really just rub it in. Now you can use steel wool on pretty much any metal product. It's great for your tire rims when they start getting the salt on there and pitting out. It's excellent for anything that is starting to rust. It's really good for things like your tools and knives and other stuff that constantly gets wet, shovels, etc. So you can see there, it's kind of working. Now you can get various degrees, just like sandpaper, of roughness. This is very fine. It's real put together. You can get some that's really coarse, and that would probably be better for right here. Now you could also use a wire brush or something on the end of a power tool, but steel wool is really great. You can give it to a kid and say, here you go, rub this down, and they can just make something look like new. So that is it. That is how you can use steel wool to really brighten up your rusted or faded metal.